Hi, today we're going to make this Frankenstein windsock. Download the template, there's a link below the video. First of all, we're going to cut the strips of tissue paper. I cut them any length you want, but the width's about 2 to 3 centimeters wide. As you can see, I just decided to add purple strips as well because I thought it looked pretty cool. So turn over the Frankenstein and add glue along the bottom of the paper. Now all you have to do is stick on the strips of tissue paper along the glue. Once the glue is dried, turn the Frankenstein into a tube and staple at both ends. Now make the handle, make it any length you like. I decided to make it about 3 centimeters wide. Now staple the handle to the top of the Frankenstein. And there you have it, a cool decoration for Halloween or a fun kite for Halloween for the kids. Thanks for watching the video.